Hi, this is Gary Kayye. We're here at ISE 2017. This is one of the brightest booths in the show. Simon Jackson, one of the vice presidents at NEC. First off, Simon, how are you doing?
Yeah, bit busy, but great, thank you.
Well, you've got a brightly lit booth, which is a testament to the technology, actually, because years ago, when we come to a show like this, all the projector and monitor companies would be in the dark, and you're bright for two reasons, both literally and figuratively, because everyone has been talking about NEC. One of the reasons is the big infinity board right behind us here, 84 inches and 65 inches. Your collaboration interactive board, you must be happy.
We're really thrilled with this. I mean, we've had people coming on the booth saying, I need to see the Infinity board, and that's a testament to what we've been doing and saying over the last few years about producing products that are not just the product. So it's not just a piece of kit that is getting commoditized. It's about the people, it's about the partners, and creating something that is something the customer is demanding. So it's an application. And
you're doing something a little unusual for a display company, because you've partnered with a couple of big companies, Flat Frog for the touch, Hudley for the camera technology, Sennheiser for the audio. So it's not just NEC, it's some of the best brands together with NEC to build a collaboration solution. It's very popular. A lot of people are talking about it on the show floor.
Yeah, that's right. And we're good at things that we do. That's pretty much displays, whether it's laser projection, LCD or LED. And these guys are good at what they do. So that's why we're looking at best of breed partnerships, because we want a product that's going to be robust, tried and tested, and it's something that we can use as a multiple brand. So from an NEC perspective, it's very important that we're working and seem to be working with our partners, because they're helping us deliver what our customers are asking for.
Well, you mentioned the 3 L's. LCD, laser, LCD, and LED, and both you have on your stand here. You have both indoor and outdoor LED, right? Which we all know is one of the big future technologies. I mean, everyone seems to think that LED is going to be the future eventually. So we have a bridge time before then. We've got laser, which is huge right now. Solid state technology, huge in the projection arena. You launched some new projectors here, both in the education and the corporate side, and even some large venue products. What was the most popular product? I mean, you've got so much. You've got this new modular system that you're promoting here.
Modular. So I think, and the Raspberry Pi module is also one of the most significant product launches we've made at NEC for a number of years. And that puts us in a different space. We're working with many different software partners now who are doing their own developing, and it's something that the community can also help develop for their own customers. So I think it's about the partnerships, but of course it starts with the product, and we have a fairly unique proposition in that we're offering all the different technologies. As you mentioned, the laser, the LCD and the LED. We get asked into a lot of customers as a consultant, as a display consultant, saying, okay, well what would you recommend and why? And this is obviously very helpful for us, because we can be quite knowledgeable about all the pros and the cons of those different technologies. It's very useful for our business model.
Well, when you offer every technology, you can be technology agnostic. You don't care which one they use.
That's the point. Yeah.
But the industry has changed a lot in the last few years. And how does the leader in digital signage maintain that leadership position with so much competition? And how do you feel like the industry changes in the way that the things have been done in the industry benefit or cause you caution when it comes to NEC?
I think for a company like NEC, the way we look at how our customers work and the way we specify our customer solutions is very much about understanding their needs. So we've got around 16 verticals we're operating in. 8 we've got pan-EMEA people specifically focused on these areas. And then we look at the different applications that are being used for those customers. And of course there is crossover. So we've got 16 applications, 16 verticals, and underpinning all of that, of course, is a product. But understanding the customer's requirements is critical to delivering the products that they want in the future. And I think we're pretty good at listening. It's taking a little bit longer in some areas than others, so they're all at different development cycles. But in the end, we're delivering products that customers are asking for us. We've got a council this afternoon on digital signage taking place as we speak, where we're talking to companies and saying, what do you want us to do? How do we, and this is where the Infinity board, the Pi, those kind of solutions are coming through to the fore from the partnerships we've been evolving over the past several years in many cases.
Yeah, I mean, you started a few years ago by changing your booth to be focused, or your stand to be focused on product, to more focused on applications, and now you're focused on sort of the experience, I guess, the user experience of each of these applications. Does that seem to work for you?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, okay, it's bright places is one of our themes, and when you're talking about LED, whether it's or a high bright LCD, of course, you need to be able to demonstrate that product in the best of its capabilities. We have got a darkish place where our projectors are, but that's because their projectors are normally in a darker environment. And but when you've got a 10,000 lumen laser projector, you also can do it in a bright room as well. So it's no problem. And I think having an experience where you can go around and see all the different technologies. We deliberately put all 3 technologies on the other side of the booth where you can see them in one go. This is what an LCD video wall looks like. This is an LED fine pitch, and here's some laser projection. It gives people the ability to see live and in the flesh something they don't normally see. They're normally looking at different meeting rooms or an auditorium or a reception area. They don't get to see all the different applications in the same use at the same time.
Well, your booth is so busy, we can't keep people from walking in front of us,
okay.
Which is okay. That happens in the real world too, and we're handling it just fine. But
customers, they're very welcome to walk anywhere they like.
Darn customers, right? But anyway, thank you for taking the time. Congratulations on not only the Infinity board, but everything that you have here. You got some great partners here. You're showing really well, and you have all the technologies, which, like I said, makes you technology agnostic. And you're doing a great job, phenomenal job. You're leading the way in EMEA, and you're one of the companies, few display companies that have every technology. So you're in a really good position in the future.
Yeah. Thank you very much, Gary. Appreciate your time.
And thank you. If you want to see more, check out NEC online. Of course, you can check out all the individual videos. We shot probably 10 videos here today of each of the new product sections, including the Infinity board, which is one of the most popular products here in the stand. And all you have to do is type in NEC in the video search window, and you can watch every single video.